Julle, ek het nou op hierdie ding afgekom. Dis nou wat so vandag gepost. Pro-Hamas Islamist groups using food to force SI Christians into Islam. Concerned South Africans have caught gift of givers and other suspicious Islamist groups using food deprivation to force vulnerable South African Christians into joining Islam. Nou hierdie is 'n ding wat hulle nou al baie lank al gebruik. Dit is 'n tegniek wat hulle in Suid-Sudan ook gebruik. Hulle honger die mense uit en hulle sê en hulle weerhou die voedsel van die mense af. En hulle sê hulle sal net die kos vir die mense gee wanneer hulle Islam join. Kom ons speel gou-gou hierdie video.
Guys, this is to say to gift of the givers. You guys are coming in our area and you are sowing division to say you're only gonna give food to the Muslim people. You go like this, can you see? That is pulling out cameras on us because they're gonna come from a far land. Okay, to disrespect us. Ons het ook arme mense. My mother does feeding. And when my mother does feeding, say picky uit as een Muslim. Van as Muslims are. Many of these people standing here, not even Islam. They don't even belong to the religion, but they need to sell their soul in order to get food. That's mense is wat kerk loop, maar hulle moet hulle siele verkoop net om kos te kry. Maar op die einde van die dag weet hulle behoort aan 'n kerk. We are not going to stand for that. Ons is moeg. Exactly. That track of hope. They must also put on their only hope to Islam, only hope to Muslim. That is what they must put on their tracks. Yeah, as you know, one Muslim Ragan because why to do it the way they are doing it? Because at the end of the day, if we need to say to every Muslim person, you need to become Christian before we give you food, what are we saying? Mense moet nou hulle siele verkoop net om kos te kry by gift of the givers. So as jy 'n Muslim, jy moet by force 'n Muslim raak. There you have it, guys. This is what they do. That is what they do, gift of the givers. They choose who they must give food.
Ja, dit gaan nie net daar stop nie. Ons gaan nog 'n volslae slagting in Suid-Afrika ook kry. Hierdie ding begin so en dan van daar af escalate dit na 'n volslag genocide. So mense, ons is op die verge. Ons land is gegee vir die Islamists. Die ANC is alles agter dit. Klomp Islam mense regeer die ANC. Ja, so mense verwag maar, bid, bly op julle knieë, want die groot vervolging is op ons, hoor. OK. Baie dankie dat julle gekyk het.